He needs a lot of area to land and take off. He needs to actually put on the brakes before he can land. He has a transmitter. That thing you see dangling from his ankle is a transmitter. And it has a radius of about 20 miles. It's just in case he decides to go for a soar. But he hasn't done that yet this year.
Rocco!
Rocco.
And Bob will bring him by for another close look. The bald eagle is also a good indicator of how healthy the environment is doing. Since they are top of the food chain, they do require a lot to survive. So a healthy eagle population usually means you've got a really healthy fish or wildfowl population as well. So the environment is doing really well.